Welcome to this video. In this particular video, this is basically on algebra series. Series is not like those particular conventional series like AP, GP and HP. These won't be dealt here. Only I'll be dealing with unconventional, like not that common series, different types of series. Okay, and they have an equally likely chances of coming in exam as well. Equally likely to these series AP, GP. Okay, let's start. The first series is the telescopic series. Okay, I'm directly explaining you this with an example. Like suppose you must have seen series like this. Okay, 1 by 1 into 2, 1 by 2 into 3, plus 1 by 3 into 4, and it goes on till, say for example, I take it as n plus 1. Okay, so as soon as you series and this particular question can come in this form as well. Okay, this can, the bifurcated product may be written directly as this. Okay, means here the bifurcation is done, but it is possible that no bifurcation is done in that. Okay, so what particular thing you have to do in this? First of all, as soon as you see this, you try to break this in this. Okay, so our first motive will be breaking this in this. Okay, so as soon as we got this, okay, no, yes, so as soon as we got this, okay, first of all, just spot this difference, the difference between these two numbers. This is 2 minus 1 1. Okay, 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, so directly what you do is 1 by 2 can be written as, you have to write this like this is 1 into 1 by 2. Write this as 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2, so 1 minus 1 by 2. Again this term if you pick, so 1 by 2 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, and it will go on till the last term. Okay, so 1 by n plus 1. Now don't just blindly mug up like this, understand this as well. 1 by 2 can be written as 1 minus 1 by 2. Similarly 1 by 6 can be written as 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, isn't it? See, 2 3 6, so 3 minus 2 by 6. So yes, this can be written, so this is written. Now you will notice that all these terms gets cancelled and only remains is this term, the first term and the last term. So basically the answer is 1 by 1 n plus 1. This is the answer to this question. Okay, a good one, and this has appeared in CAT and may appear in future as well. Okay, let's understand this with, for example, I've already told you this, but again explain. Okay, so 1 by 2 means this will be 1 by 1 into 2. Same example I've taken. 12 will be 3 into 4, and it will go on till 1 to 10 is 10 into 11, so it will go on till 1 by 10. Now as told, either you split or write, or you can directly write this first term 1 by 1 minus the last term. Remember that this is smaller than this. Remember, just think, we don't like suppose you write it as 1 by 11 to 10, and then as said you take this term. No, the largest term 11, that will be taken. Okay, so this is 1 by, so now this can be written as 11 minus 1, 10 by 11 is this one. That's it, super simple. This was done. Now let's come to another question. Again, although I have written it in bifurcated form, but it may come to you as the product form as well, but usually if there is a very much difference, then it won't come. Okay, so write it as 1 by 1 into 4 plus 1 by 4 into 7 plus 1 by 97 into 100. Okay, now if you blindly do this, like you do this 1 by 1 minus 1 by 100, then there is a flaw. This is wrong. Why is this wrong? I'm telling you. Okay, this is the wrong answer. Okay, what you do, just, I told you initially that when the question was this, the difference was 2 minus 1, and this was same as here as well. Okay, in that case this was valid. If there is say n and n plus 3, then this won't be valid. You have to get like this. See, like if we take 1 by 1 into 4, then you can't write it as 1 by 1 minus 4. Na, is it right? No, it isn't right, because this difference is 3 by 4, and here we have 1 by 4, so this is wrong. So basically what you have to do is, the difference between these two numbers, it was 1 by 1 into 4, so difference between these two numbers you have to get in numerator as well. Okay, so what we'll do here, so the difference is 4 minus 1 3, 7 minus 4 3. Okay, so we'll multiply and divide throughout by 3. Okay, so 3 by 3, so better directly write 1 by 3 as over here, and 3 multiplied to each term, so this will be 3 by 4 plus 3 by 28, and it will go on till last. Okay, now you can easily break this as 1 minus 1 by 4. Fair enough. 1 by 4 minus 1 by 7, isn't it? See, 4 minus 1 3 by 4, you got this. subtracted this, you got this, subtracted this, you got this. Fair enough, done. Okay, now you can do this. Okay, so the only twist was, so the last term will be 1 by 100, all these will get cancelled, only 1 by 1 into 100 will remain, and outside we have 1 by 3 as well. Okay, so 1 by 3 will remain, so this will be 99 by 100 upon 3, so this will be 33 by 100. Okay, so this was the only twist, and this is telescopic, that's it, done. Nothing more is needed in this. Okay, now AGP series, this series is also important. This series is basically mixture of AP and GP. I'll deal this in separate video. Okay, so basically the series is made up of both AP and GP. If you want, I can give you the basics, but separately I'll deal one more series I'll deal in this video. Okay, basically what happens, like one term will be like x, and then term will be dot 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 x cube something x cube, and dot dot it will go on. Okay, so you can spot that this is in GP. Okay, now here it will be like 1 3 5 dot dot will go, so you can spot that this is in AP, isn't it? 3 minus 1 2, 3 minus 1 2, so this will basically be AGP series. Okay, this is how it is. Okay, I'll deal this particular, see, two particular questions also. If you want, you can try it as well, but I'll be making a separate video for that. Okay, now this is the another very important series, like it has good chance of coming, and it is frequently appeared in mocks as well. Okay, so difference in AP series. Okay, so what it is basically, like suppose the series is like A, B, C, D, or it will go on till infinity, or means till n term or whatever I say. Okay, suppose the difference in these two came out to be 1, and in these two terms it came out to be 2, in these two terms it came out to be 3, and it will go on till. Okay, so what you can see that the difference, this is the difference of the term is in AP. So how this is how it name came, difference in AP series. Okay, so that when the difference is in AP, so its nth term will be what? Its nth term will be x n square. Actually I prefer writing it as a n square plus b n plus c, but here a b c all are there, so you get confused. Okay, anyway I'll change this. Okay, I'll write x in place. Okay, so basically the series is xyz, just I don't want it to xyz dot it will go on. Okay, difference came out to be 1 2 3, so this is in AP. Okay, just I don't want to get you confused, that's why I've separated the variables. Okay, so this is the nth term of this particular series, when the difference of the terms, so basically difference of terms in AP, but in short it looks good as well, difference in AP series. Okay, that particular thing this is. Okay, difference in AP. Now but you should know the value, we must know the value of ABC, then only we can put n and find now. Okay, so what we'll do is, see, when we'll put n equals 1, we'll get A plus B plus C, and this particular thing, n equals 1 means T1, so T1 is A plus B plus C, and term 1 is for our series is x, so A plus B plus C equals x. You might get confused right now seeing x, so many variables, but just now, for now, understand the theory. Okay, now we'll put T equal to 2, so 2 we get 4A plus 2B plus C equals y. Okay, and Z, so Z means this is the third term, so n equal to 3, so 9A plus 3B plus C equals Z. Now take these two equations, and then you can solve this, and then you can solve and you'll get the value of ABC. Then just plug in this, so say A came out to be 1, so this will be n square, B came out to be 2n, and C came out to be 3, so this will be the nth term of the AP. For example, I'm telling you, and it will be more clear when we deal with the question. Okay, this is what difference in AP series is. Okay, let's come to the first question. Okay, find the sum of the first 20 series, first 50 terms. So 1 2 4 7 dot dot go on. Okay, so now first, as soon as you see the question, we first of all we check for that whether it is in AP. You can see the difference is 1, the difference is 2, the difference is 3. It isn't in AP, so our AP series fails. Now check the difference of the terms. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So difference is in AP, so this is n, difference in AP term series. Okay, so its nth term will be an square plus bn plus c. Okay, this will be its nth term. Now just find out the values of ABC. Quickly what you can do is plug in n equals 1, so a plus b plus c. This is the first term is 1, so 1. Now plug in b equals 2, n equals 2, so 4a plus 2b plus c. Second term is 2. Third term means 9a plus 3b plus c. Third term is 4. Fair enough, 4. Now just subtract these two equations. You'll get this from this you subtract, okay. 3a plus b equals 1. Now subtract this to this. You will get this to this, means from third to second equation, 3 minus 2 equation, okay. So this will be 5a plus b equals 2. Now quickly subtract this to this. What you'll get? 2a equals 1. So a will be getting 1 by 2. A 1 by 2 you can plug in here. So 3 by 2 plus b equals 1. This is basically 1 plus 1 by 2. So 1 gets cancelled. So b becomes minus 1 by 2. So b we got as minus 1 by 2. Okay. Now c is 0. Yes. A plus b plus c equals 1. Put in any of the equation to get 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus c equals 1. So c is 1. Okay. So c came out to be 1. So our a, b, c came out to be in this. So our nth term is Tn is n square by 2. 3 by 2, 1 minus 3 by 2 minus, okay, everything's correct. N by 2 and c came out to be 1. So this is our nth term, okay. Now see one thing. When we have to find the sum of the series, when you have to find the nth term, you simply, like, the question is ... and the question is not this, okay. The question is till whatever terms, or the question is like this, okay. For now forget this, okay. 1 2 4 7 take comma, okay. The question is find the 50th term of the series. So for that particular thing you can simply doing this much thing ABC and then putting n equal to 50, you can get T50, okay, just by putting n equals 50. This is correct. But when the question is this particular thing, that 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 and 50 terms, find the sum, then what you have to do is, since this is getting added up, so we'll have to apply sigma over here, okay. Sigma, okay. Now sigma n square is n plus 1 2n plus 1 by 6 and we already have a 2 over here, and here you will get n plus 1 by 2 and we already have a 2 over here, and summation 1 is n. Summation 1 is n also has a story. How is it n? It should be 1 na, because summation 1 should be 1. No, see, if we add 1 till 50 times, so will it be the sum of 150 times, will it be 1 or will it be 50? It will be 50. 50 is basically n, so this is how summation 1 came n, okay. Now you have to just, in this particular equation, you have to just put n equals 50 and you will get everything. That's it, simple. Hope this is clear now. That's it, this much, and in the next particular video I'll be dealing with AGP. Hope this much is clear now.